Findependent Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Findependent are in the description below. Let's dive right in. Findependent is a Swiss-based robo-advisor designed to cater to investors who are looking for financial independence through a simple, automated approach to investing. The platform's primary goal is to help individuals take control of their financial future by providing tailored investment strategies at a low cost. This service is ideal for beginners who are new to investing and intermediate investors who prefer a hands-off approach to wealth building without the need to spend hours on research or asset management. Key features. Findependent offers automated portfolio management that's fully customizable based on your risk profile and financial goals. It uses a combination of ETFs and index funds to create a diversified portfolio tailored to your preferences. One of the platform's standout features is its low management fees, making it an attractive option for long-term investors. Findependent's easy-to-use interface and straightforward onboarding process make it accessible even for people without a deep background in finance. Additionally, the platform offers automated rebalancing to ensure your portfolio stays aligned with your goals, and it provides regular performance reports to keep you informed of your progress. Strengths. The biggest strength of Findependent is its simplicity and low cost. Its automated nature allows users to invest without worrying about market volatility or daily fluctuations. The customization available ensures that each portfolio matches the investor's personal risk tolerance, and the transparent pricing ensures there are no hidden costs. It's a great solution for people who want to build wealth over the long term but don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Weaknesses. However, Findependent may not be the best choice for more advanced investors looking for sophisticated strategies or for those who prefer more hands-on control over their portfolios. The limited number of asset classes available for investment may also not meet the needs of those wanting to diversify beyond ETFs and index funds. Conclusion. In conclusion, Findependent is a great choice for beginner to intermediate investors looking for a simple, automated, and cost-effective way to invest. Its low fees, customized portfolios, and easy setup make it a solid option for those aiming for financial independence. If you're looking for a robo-advisor to take the guesswork out of investing, Findependent is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.